Hi, this is Silvia and I am back in the Smeg kitchen to share with you one of my favorite hump day dinner hacks, because this is a roast chicken dinner you can have ready at your table in under 30 minutes. So let's get to the oven and turn on some really sweet functions on our classic pyro steam. We want fan grill with steam at 220 and steam at 40%, go. And what this function will do is create a blast of heat that will make your chicken mouth-watering, caramelized and crunchy on top, super succulent meat on the inside, because the steam renders out the fat and keeps it really nice and tender and delicious. And at the same time, all these vegetables, they will roast to perfection. Let's do some seasoning. And this goes in the oven, and in less than a half an hour, you've got your dinner ready. And this is finished and looking amazing. Look at that. Oh, look at the colors and the perfume. The secret of the flavor of this dinner is the power of the grill and the beauty of the steam combined, because one will give you the golden caramelization and the other one will give you the succulence, which is what we want in our roast chicken. And for more delicious recipes, please visit smegcucina.com.au.